Good morning, children. I hope everybody is safe and taking the necessary precautions in this corona pandemic. So I hope that you are following these instructions which are on the screen. And this is a proper way of washing your hand. And these are the steps to protect yourself. So children, here this is the proper way of washing your hand, and these are the steps to protect yourself. And you all know, I hope, how to keep social distancing. And it is the time it needs to educate others also. Your elders, your neighbors, your friends, your relatives. So now, children, before I would like to start, I want to ask one thing. Any issues in last time, whatever has been taught? Any problem in that? So you all know what is constructor now? It is a special member function having same name that of its class, and it is automatically invoked when the instance of the class is created. Yes, children, any issues, any problems? Please tell. Hurry up, please tell. Any problem, any issues? Kavya Chaudhary, she has left. Khushi, Kavya, any problem? Okay, now I want to start with a new question today. And in this, what to do is class twin prime list. This is the name of the class. And this is the array. Here it is a size. And this is the constructor. So now what to do is, this is the Boolean function which will check for prime number. It receives one parameter. And here to print all twin prime pairs from the given array. So children, this is what you have to do. So you have to print all the twin prime pairs. If not understood, then please tell. So if you people have not understood, then please tell. You have got the question? Now we want to start with the question. So first of all, we need to create the class twin prime list. This is the name of the class. This is the array, and here it is a size. This is the size, actually it will initialize. Now what to do? You need to define a scanner class, as I instructed you last time that a scanner class you need to define and you have to make this scanner class static. Why static? I told you that day, the day before yesterday, I think, or yesterday, it was yesterday only. It was day before yesterday. So here, a scanner, SS new scanner, this is the main method. In this, you need to input the size, which is enter size. So that is S is SS dot next int. And now what to do is, you need to create the object of the class, that is twin prime list, obj new, and passing S. So children, here we have to make a function void display. In this, you have to print all the twin prime pairs. So first of all, I would like to print the original array. So the original array is, which is less than size I plus plus, and here you need to write that a of I along with some space, and after that I'm changing the line. So what are twin prime numbers? Two numbers are said to be twin prime if they are prime and their difference is 2. So what to do is, you need to start a loop that will go from 0 to less than size. And in order to make the pairs, you need to start another loop that will go from I plus 1 till it is less than size and j plus plus. And here we have to call that function is prime, which we will be making after this function. So if is prime a of I and is prime a of j and if math.abs a of I minus a of j matches with 2. So what I'm checking here, I'm checking if the difference is 2 and both the numbers are prime, it will be one of the pair. So immediately print a of I comma a of j. Now what to do? Here you have to make the function boolean is prime. And I hope you all know one function, children, I have missed, that is just to input the values. So here void input. So this function is needed. So it is what? Void input. So here what to do is enter array element. So that is for int I will be 0 till it is less than size I plus plus, and here you have to write ss dot next int. And now here after that you need to make the function. So that function is boolean is prime int n, and that is I'm just using that method which I have told you. So a simple method now. Simply count the total number of factors and here it will return that. So if n mod I is 0, then c is equals to c plus 1, and here return c is 2. So this is a simple function, children. Here you have to just call this function. And now here within the main method you have created the object of the class, and you need to invoke the input function, and then you need to invoke this display function. You need not to invoke that is prime, because is prime you have already invoked within this. So let us execute this. Here suppose the size is 10 and the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the values. Children, here the original array is this and twin prime pairs are 3, 5 and 5, 7. There are only two pairs within this which are twin prime. So here you can display one more message, that is twin prime pairs are. Here suppose the values are 10 and here it is, these are the, so now the output will be like this. Yes, I hope you all have understood this, and if not then please tell. Class 10th, please tell if you have not understood this. Children, please tell. Class 10th, beta, please respond. So anybody who has not understood? So now here the time is to improve the code. Here this code is okay, but it is not the good one. I'm just posting this code on the GCR, and after that I will be writing the code which is the improved version of this. So here, children, here with the help of this code, actually what I am doing, I am checking for is prime. And suppose here if not is prime a of I, then no need to make the pair for this. Actually, what is happening within this J loop, we are making the pair of a of I and a of j. So if any number, any element which is not prime, initially, suppose I say 6. So 6 is not a prime number, so no need to make the pair of 6 with any other number from the array. That's why if I'm checking here, if it is not prime, then no need, just continue. So it will skip that element. So it is going to save your time also. And here also you can write, if not is prime a of j, then continue. It simply means when control reaches this place, both the numbers a of I and a of j must be prime. Both the numbers a of j and a of I must be prime. So here what to do, you have to simply write if math.abs a of I minus a of j is 2. If this is the case, it will be a twin prime pair. So printing a of I comma plus a of j. So this is actually the improved version, improved code, and it is definitely having more efficiency. So suppose the size is 10, it will also generate the same output. But efficiency counts, children, when the size of the array becomes larger. Suppose the size of the array is 10 here, so there is no issues. It will not reflect much. But if the size of the array is 1000, definitely it is saving a lot of time. So I always prefer that you should write the code which is time saving. So anybody who is having in this problem in this code, please tell. So please tell if you have the problem in this code. Yes. If you use break, the loop will terminate. Na? You want to terminate the loop? I don't want to terminate. I want to escape only. I want to ignore that element. Break, what it does? It terminates the running loop, beta. It terminates the running loop. So this is what you have to do. So any problem, any issue, then please tell. So this is the improved version. I have posted that. Okay, now one more question, children, I am giving, and that is class array palindrome. This is the size. And here what to do is the constructor, that is member functions. This is int n, void input, void display, and here there is a function boolean check. Children, this check function will return true if the given array is a palindromic array. And how palindromic? 1, 2, 3. These are the elements of the array. If these are the elements of the array is considered to be palindromic. So if you read this array from both the directions one by one, from here and from here, then you will get the same array. That's why this array is said to be palindromic array. Now the same question you have to do. So what to do here? So class, what is the name of the class? Array palindrome. Array palindrome, and here int a square bracket, it is a size. Static scanner, ss new scanner system.in, and here so here what to do is array, this is what you have to just so this is what the array is, and here now void input, so enter array elements, and that is for int I will be 0 till it is less than size, and here a of I is ss dot next int. So array is filled, and here it is a display function which will display the results. So here they display the whole array. The array is, that is from 0 to less than size I plus plus a of I plus, and after that here just change of line. Now what to do? Boolean check. So children, here in this function you need to check whether a given array is a palindromic array or not. So what to do in this case? Simply you have to read from both the directions, either from that for int I will be 0 till I is less than size by 2 I plus plus, and if a of I is not matching with a of size minus I minus 1, if this is the case, return false, and if successfully comes down, return true. This is the code for checking whether the given array is a palindromic array or not, and if not, then please tell. So children, if any problem, then please tell. Now see here the main method I'm going to write, which is this is this, and here you need to input enter size, which is this one, s is ss dot next int, create the object of the class, which is array palindrome, and obj new array palindrome, passing this s, opening this input function, and just calling this display function. Here you need to call that. So here how to call? So boolean f is check. So if f the array is palindromic array, it is a palindromic array, else it is not a palindromic array. So I hope you all have understood it. If not, then please tell. Dear children, please tell if any issue. The main logic of checking the palindrome is this one. The main logic of checking the palindrome is this one. So if any problem, any issue, then please tell. So any problem, children? Class 10th. So I'm just executing this code. Please see that. So here, suppose the size is 6 and the elements are 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. So this is definitely a palindromic array. So it is a palindromic array if you read that from the beginning, and once from the beginning and next time from the end. So this is how you can check for palindromic array. So any problem, any issues, any query, then please tell. Aditi Singh is here. Yes, Aditi. Beta, unmute yourself. Beta, thanks for joining us. And same for Sania Banerjee, your friend, na? And she joined last time, but then after 5 minutes she left. Beta, Khushi Mishra, any problem? Faiza Naim, any issues, any problem? Shreyansh Yadav. Those who are absent these days, and if they are your friend, I'm just telling that their project I will not entertain. So if this is the case, if they are not serious, definitely I will not be considering their project. Okay, one more question, children, I want to discuss here. Pseudo arithmetic array. And what is that? This is the array, and here it is member functions, that is void input, void display, boolean check. So this function returns true if the array is pseudo arithmetic integer. And what are these? Suppose the first element is 1, last element is 4. You can see that the sum is, and if the second element is 3, the second element is 3, and the second last element is 2. So children, this is what, this is the array which we can say that it is filled with pseudo arithmetic integers. How? The sum of the first and last and the sum of the second and second last is exactly same. And even if the size of the array is of even length, like the first element, the second element, the third element, and then this element, and here this one. Here the size is 6. The first and last, second and second last. But if you see the middle element, if you double this number, it is 6. That's why it is pseudo arithmetic. So if the size is odd, then the center or middle element will get doubled. Otherwise, proper sum we have to calculate. So children, will you do this question yourself? And then you have to mail me the assignment, or you want me to do this question right here? Class 10th. What do you want? Please tell. Class 10th, will you try this question at home? Samiksha, Shreyansh, will you try this question at home? Anusha. Okay, so this question, Ritika, Shabrang Avasthi, Khushi Mishra, Sarthak Garg, Ritika Ghosh, Jia. So all of you please try this question at home and mail me by the end of by 9 p.m. today. Okay. And now I'm just posting with a link of the Google Forms so that you people can mark your attendance. So here it is a link. You need to mark your attendance here. If any problem, any doubt, then please tell. So after filling the attendance, you can leave if you don't have any doubt. And if you have any doubt, you can wait, you can ask your queries. So please children, hurry up fast. Thank you.